common mistakes to avoid when you're purchasing E&O or professional liability policy. Some business owners assume general liability covers professional mistakes. It doesn't. GL, or general liability, covers bodily injury and property damage if you're sued from a third party. PL, or professional liability, covers financial loss if you're sued by a third party. Another mistake is not disclosing all services, right? That can lead to denied claims. When you apply for coverage, you're often going through various services and ticking off which percent of those that you do. If you do 1% of bookkeeping, but you're really, an outsourced CFO, 99% of the time, you still want to include that when you apply for coverage. Letting coverage lapse, right? You could lose protection for past work. There's a retroactive date you have to be mindful with these claims made policies. You just want to make sure if you switch carriers, you match that retroactive date. And if you're a new purchaser of professional liability insurance, that retroactive date is at policy inception. You also want to avoid choosing the cheapest policy. Unfortunately, you often get what you pay for. I see this a lot with architects, E&O, and kind of engineers and designers, where they may do a little bit of construction management, but then they get a professional liability policy that only covers design services. So you want to be mindful of that.